Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create beautiful, professional looking workbooks in Canva, your all-in-one design tool. Whether it's for a classroom, workshop, or training session, Canva makes it super easy to bring your ideas to life. To get started, open Canva in your browser and type workbook in the search bar. You'll see a wide variety of pre-designed templates. Take your time browsing, hover over each one to preview the number of pages and see which layout fits your content best. Once you've found a template that suits your style, click Customize this template. This opens Canva's intuitive design interface, where you can make it completely your own. Start by editing the text. Click any text box and replace the placeholder with your content. Keep your text clear, concise, and readable. Your font choice and size make a big difference here. Next, let's personalize the visuals. Click any image in your template, then go to the Uploads tab to add your own pictures. Drag and drop them right into the workspace, swapping them seamlessly. You can do this for as many images as you like, ensuring your workbook matches your theme or brand perfectly. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've transformed a simple template into a polished, engaging workbook. Don't be afraid to experiment with layouts, fonts, and visuals. The creative possibilities are endless. If you enjoyed this guide, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tips. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.